Century Ply is one of the largest producers of plywood, decorative veneers and laminates in India. And we have around 5 factories plus other contract manufacturing units. We have around 40 sales branches. We have got around 10 regional distribution centers, warehouses, etc., and also multiple godowns. At present, on-premise, we have got a data center in Calcutta. We also have got a near-dear center in Calcutta. We are running a lot of applications in our current data center in Calcutta. Although we have shifted our core applications to cloud, but we're still continuing with our some of our existing applications in our current data center, and we also have a plan for migrating them to cloud over a period of time. The key shortcomings which prompted us to move from the earlier SAP AIX Oracle environment to SAP HANA mainly on account of performance. SAP being such a critical application for us, and it was implemented in 2002, but it was not sized for the current today's needs, and Century Ply as a business has grown exponentially. But to that extent, the IT infrastructure or the system design had some lacuna, which can only be overcome with a new age implementation, and that requires SAP to be upgraded, and with the current focus on SAP HANA, the kind of performance benefits it gives. So obvious choice was to move towards SAP HANA, and then obviously the other choice was whether we do it in-house or continue to do it in our current landscape, or we do cloud. But the need for going for SAP HANA is primarily because to give a better performance and benefits to the organization. The need for moving from in-house to a NetMagic's VPC was primarily because we wanted to have a scalable environment, which is not possible in an in-house scenario. We realized from your past mistake that when you buy an asset, you get locked to that asset. Even if your business grows, it is not easy to change your infrastructure, and even if there is a performance issue, you try to continue with that old asset. And because of that, obviously that time cloud was not that prevalent but with the way the cloud has grown, the opportunity is there to basically explore. And therefore, after evaluation, after doing cost benefit analysis, after looking at how Century Ply is going to grow, after doing all those analyses, we thought that the best way to proceed is to have our SAP code in cloud, and that's why we took the decision. In terms of the key benefits that we got out of the project is mainly the performance. We have not gone with the simple finance, we have gone with the database migration. So the immediate benefit that we got the day we migrated is that we got a huge performance benefit in terms of our month-end runs. In our business, 90% of the business happens in last 3 days, and that time is the system is to slow down. That would be your costing runs, the reports, etc., and all the stuff. So we got a phenomenal increase in terms of performance the day we migrated. One of the key benefits is that I can sleep peacefully during the summer months, where infrastructure has been taken care by NetMagic in terms of SAP being a very key infrastructure, and especially HANA needs a very good environment, etc., which the world-class environment NetMagic provides. The other issue is that scalability. I'm sure that the way we have designed the model, the contract, over a period of time, suppose there is some mergers and acquisitions, some new requirements come up, so I'll be able to scale up the infrastructure easily in the OpEx model. So thirdly, I can leverage the team of NetMagic, not just depending on my team, so I know a larger team which is there to help me when there is a requirement or emergency and all. So all these three are the key benefits now, of going with NetMagic.